Okay, we have a Haas Vertical Machining Center, model VF3SS, serial number 1138801. This machine was new in 2017, and we are gonna run her for you. Machine has a Haas Next Gen control. It has a 12,000 RPM spindle. Right now we are running at 2,500 RPM. It's a Cat 40. You have a 24 tool ATC. That's 5,000 RPM. This machine is silent. This is original paint. That's 10,000 RPM. Oh, I'm going to do a tool change. You have Renishaw probe, wireless intuitive probing system. You have coolant through the spindle, and you have programmable coolant. 300 PSI on the coolant through. See, the table is nice and clean. You have telescopic weight, covers all axes. Your travels are 40 inches in the X, 20 in the Y, and 25 in the Z. Machine also has a chip auger. And you have a remote jog handle. She's nice. Thank you for watching our video.